Hello everyone and warm welcome to Stock Explorer, my YouTube channel. I am Arup and I am excited to take you on a thrilling journey to discover those hidden gems stock that have the power to shine brightly in the times ahead. Today I am going to introduce you to our pick for this session, that is CAMS, Computer Age Management Service Limited. CAMS is a financial infrastructure and service provider to mutual funds and provides platform-based services to other financial institutions. The company is India's largest registered and transfer agent of mutual fund with an aggregate market share of approximately 69% based on mutual fund average asset under management. The company has grown its market share from approximately 61% in March 2015 to approximately 69% based on AAUM serviced. AAUM is average asset under management. Its mutual fund clients include 9 of the 15 largest mutual funds as of June 2023. The company is a market-leading platform and service partner to the alternate investment funds and portfolio managers, serving over 400 funds with full stack digital and fund administration service. CAMS Pay is a primary payment service provider for mutual fund and several NBFCs. Service to insurance company and e-insurance services are provided via the subsidiary CAMS REP or CAMS Rep. The company has also forayed into new areas like account aggregators and central record keeping agency services for national pension scheme. CAMS recently acquired a majority stake in Think 360 AI, a full stack data science and AI focused firm, and in Fintuple Technology, a digital transformation partner for capital market entity. In this slide, let me share with you the 6 crucial factors which I usually consider for picking up the stock. First, I analyze the stock price, which determine whether it is fair or not, using various financial ratios like PV, price to book value, PE, price to earning, and compare them with the industry peer. Next, I assess the company's financial performance, growth potential, and unique business model which sets them apart from others in the market. Additionally, I examine their cash statement to evaluate their ability to debt. Now, coming back to CAMS, it got a really strong ROE and ROCE. ROE is 39.09% and ROCE is 48.5%. It is not fairly priced. The price to book value is 16. It is very highly priced, you can say, or extremely high. It is 16 times of book value. Currently, it is being traded at 2,378. It has a low debt with a debt to equity ratio 0.10, and debt is 75.7 crores. It doesn't have any pledged share. Public holding is minimum, that is 32.61, although out of this 10% from the public holding belongs to HDFC and individual investors. Both sales and profit increased year on year, respectively 10.5%, 10.4% and 17.9%. business has low risk. Uh, Before we proceed further, I want to present this disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered or authorized stock analyst. My analysis is based on stock performance data and trend from recent company reports along with business figures from various sources. Please note that this is solely my personal study and I do not recommend you to invest based on it. I strongly advise you to consult with your financial advisor before making any further investment decision. I put a lot of time into research company data and your support means a lot to me. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and join us on this enlightening journey. Thank you for being part of it. Let's go to the product overview of CAMS. CAMS basically is provide the digital platform. So it got a main platform. I just covered it here. However, they have so many products and they are doing lot of business in upgrading and adding new modules to their product. So let's start with the things 360. It is a digitalization mandate for quick ID product from Canara Bank. Algo 360, an alternative credit scoring product servicing SBI card and CredB. CAMFinServe is an account aggregator. Strong momentum with a 25 new sign up in the AA plus TSP space in Q1 financial year 24. CAM NPS is retained second position in ENPS segment, gaining ground in POP and corporate segment with a 48% new subscription from retail POP channel. CAMS digital properties, it is 8% growth in CAMS digital properties, contributing 7% to overall investor initiated transaction. My CAMS retained a top fintech app with over 6 million registrations. MF Central APIs shows strong growth, delivering 1.5 times growth over the last quarter to intermediate. Now coming to these fundamentals, remarkable management efficiency with a robust ROE of 40.2%, remarkable debt to equity ratio. However, long-term growth has been modest with a net sales of 13.96% increase and operation profit of 15.31% over 5 years. Encouragingly, the latest result in June 2023 were positive, including record-breaking figure for quarterly sales, PBIT and PAT. High institutional holding of 47.49%. And let's have a Q1 financial year 24 highlights. Revenue of 261 crores, up by 10.4% year on year and 4.8% quarter on quarter. Return on net worth is approximately 38.8% cash, and cash equivalent of June 30, 2023 stands at 508.96 crores. However, over the past year, the stock performance has been slightly below market benchmark. yielding a return of 0.35% compared to market has grown by 13.36%. I'll show you in the next slides. Here is a brief commentary of management which was given by Mr. Anuj Kumar, Managing Director. Let me brief it, the entire stuff. The Indian mutual fund industry growth of 6.4% quarter on quarter, reaching rupees 43.8 trillion in AAUM. CAMS AUM grew by 6.8% quarter on quarter, crossing 30 trillion mark, rupees 30 trillion mark. CAMS lead 65% shares in net SIP registration. Higher net sales share in equity 99% and debts 78%. Accelerated growth in non-mutual fund business with 27 new contracts. CAMS Pay business grew 25% year on year, introducing new features. A launch of AI-powered seamless KYC solution for customer onboarding. Acquired Think 360 AI, which wins from Canara Bank and SBI card. CAMS Fin Service AA business leading in FIP integration. Industry recognition with multiple awards including ET Datacon, BW HR Excellence and more. This is the brief of their management. You can pause the video and read it out. However, I request you to visit CAMS official website, where you can download the entire presentation. These are again the cut paste of the presentation. This is their quarterly financial highlights. Okay, you can see the quarter one financial year 24 vis-a-vis quarter one financial year 23. And this is the quarter four financial year 23, just prior to quarter one financial year 24. So you can have compared these two and find the year on year. Compare these quarter four financial year 23 and quarter one financial year 24. You will get the quarter one quarter result. So in summary, revenue at 26.03 crores, which is up by 10.4% on year basis. Profit before tax at 101.91 crores, which grew by 17% year on year basis, and profit after tax at 76.34 crores, which grew 17.9% year on year basis. PAT margin is 28.2%. This is the PAT margin. I think is a service organization and a platform provider. This percentage is very good. Basic EPS for quarter one financial year 24 stands at rupees 15.58. In this slide, you will find 1 year price movement chart of the stock, followed by 3 year chart. I will be showing in the next slide. I have demonstrated in the past video also. Let me briefly explain how to interpret this chart. This blue line is the price movement. It is a little bit of ups and downs, so many ups and downs. uh, this black line is the 200 days moving average, and yellow line is the 50 days moving average. So now basically it had attempted to cross 200 days moving average in the month of November, uh, and now it is trying to cross this 200 days moving average also. So this particular price stock is at a price which likely to cross this 200-day moving average. However, this is all assumptions. Okay, uh, uh, be, apply your own decision before investing anything on this stock. Uh, this is the stock's journey, because this stock was uh, IPO was launched on October 2020. So um, it moved upward till I, I will say that it is September or August 2020. Then it started falling. Then there was a phase of consolidation. So this is how the 3 years chart movement. Uh, this is a concluding slide where you will compare CAMS with its peer. Okay, but I have put BLS International also as a peer. However, BLS industrial P is not 27.57. This CAMS and its company I listed here are having industry P of this, but I put BLS as it provide the similar kind of services. Okay, BLS also I'll put it. This is also very good stock, but other than these CAMS services, there are CTSL, BSC, CAMS, and Indian Energy Exchange. Okay, so all these stocks are very good, and they got a tremendous strength on this, but you should study yourself before taking any investing call. Okay, so here I normally color green for the best value for each parameter. You will find that P which is lowest, I put a green mark. Quarterly profit which is highest, I put a green mark. Quarter sales highest, I put a green mark. Similarly, ROCE is highest, I put a green mark. Current market price divided by book value, that is the price to book value, which is the lowest, I mark it green. ROE which is highest, I marked it green, which is CAMS. Pietrowski score which is highest, I marked it green. Okay, this is how I marked it, and you can find the debt and reserve in the last column. I added this also, so you can have a better study. So this is what for all I can tell you about the CAMS. But CAMS is a technology company. I request you to visit their portal to understand their offering and the platform they provide. Please remember, this analysis this is this analysis is for information purpose only. I strongly advise consulting with financial advisor before making any investment decision. Your support is essential to keep this channel running, so please like, comment and share to promote and motivate my effort in this journey. Thanking you for watching my channel, and I wish you all the best and a wonderful day ahead.